Hey guys, in this project we make push button control RGB LED. Now first we search the LED, RGB LED. Here we search RGB LED. This is a RGB LED. You can make multiple color from RGB LED. Here is a three color red, blue and green. Mixture of three color you can make multiple color. There is one cathode pin. Cathode pin means negative pin. Now search resistance, resistor. Resistor connect to cathode pin of the battery, cathode pin of the RGB LED, and select the black wire. Now search LED, battery, 9-volt battery. This is a 9-volt battery. Now drag and drop. And also search the push button. Take 3 push button. 1, 2 and 3. Now resistance connect to the negative of the battery. And change the wire color black. Now connect the push button. Here you see terminal 2A connect to the positive of the battery. And terminal 1B connect to red pin of LED. Now change the color. This is a positive wire. We can change from red. This also change the color red. Now second push button 2A connect to positive of the battery. Connect red. And second terminal of the push button connect to the blue LED. You can also change the color blue. Now connect the last push button to terminal 2A connect to the positive of the battery. And 1B connect to the green LED, green pin of RGB LED. Now circuit will completed and start simulate and see the output. When I press this button, then LED will be glow. When I press this button, then LED will be blue. Then I press, then LED will be green. Now project is completed. See the next video.